Hi, my name is Adil Sheikh. I'm currently working as an administrator at Movi, which is a manufacturing company. I enrolled in Fortray Global's Job Ready program last year, which includes a master's course in digital project management. Through this program, I learned essential project management modules like PMP, Agile, and Prince 2, and as well as Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. The entire program was well structured and immensely helped me upskill. The team at Fortray was very supportive, assisting me in navigating through job applications and providing valuable guidance. They marketed my profile effectively and helped me secure interviews, and it played a crucial role in helping me clear interviews with confidence. One of the challenges I faced was aligning my skills with industry standards, but Fortray's detailed approach helped me overcome this hurdle. I highly recommend Fortray's services to anyone looking to upskill and successfully navigate the job market. So their support and structure programs are invaluable. Yep, thank you.